At times you may have an iPhone that has a black screen and you can't turn it on. That's exactly what this video is going to go through and teach you how to fix multiple ways. Very important to follow this so you can go ahead and get your phone back on and figure out what's going on so you can avoid it from happening again in the future. Welcome everybody, I'm Kevin with helpfultutorials.net. If you like iPhone tips, tricks, and fixes, do me a favor, please smack that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell. With that, let's just dive right in and get right into the troubleshooting. First thing you want to do is make sure your phone is charged. I know it sounds weird, but sometimes the phone just dies, and if you don't plug it in long enough, it doesn't go and turn on. Usually I recommend giving it a good 15 minutes. If it's not turned on after 15 minutes, something else is wrong. So if you have it in for 15 minutes and it's still not on, try another outlet. Make sure the cord's working. Maybe if you have another phone there to try that. Another thing that could happen is the port could get dirty and the charger's not connecting. So the battery's dead and the charge isn't able to go back through. So the best way to do this is I do actually have a blog on helpfultutorials.net. I'll link it down below on how to clean your iPhone. So check that out and it'll show you step by step what to do, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about and how to clean that. So now that we have that clean and we're charging and it's still not turning on, it might be frozen. An app probably crashed or the iOS crashed and now it just won't turn on. So we have to do a force restart. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it on different phones. First is the iPhone 6. Basically a phone that has a button on the bottom. Anything 6S and below, you will do it this way. You will hold the power button and the home button at the same time. Keep it plugged in as well while you're doing this, and hold it in until you see an apple come up. If you don't see an apple and you're holding it in after, say, 60 seconds, then it looks like this isn't going to resolve it. But a lot of times if you have it plugged in for 15 minutes and then you're doing this for 60 seconds, a lot of times they'll fix it. If you have an iPhone 7, it's going to be your power button and your volume down button. So you want to hold volume down and power at the same time. Again, hold for about 60 seconds or until you see an apple come up. Finally, you have the newer phones, the iPhone X. This one's a little different. What you want to do here is first you want to press the volume up. After that, you want to go ahead and press the volume down and then hold the power button. This will go ahead and force restart the iPhone X. Basically, any phone without a home button, this will work on. So these are the best ways to go ahead and get it working. If for some reason it's not coming on then something else may be going on. If you're seeing a picture of the charger and a little like music note on your iPhone, that could mean that the phone is corrupt and you're going to need to go ahead and plug it into a computer to restore it. If it's still not going through, the next thing you want to do is take it to an Apple store, make an appointment online to go to meet with the Genius Bar, and they'll take a look at it, especially if it's under warranty. That works the best. So I hope this got your phone back on. If there was water damage, there is other things that could happen to it. So I'm going to go ahead and link a video that's similar to this, but talks more about water damage at the end of this video. So you'll be able to go ahead and check that out in case that is what's going on for you. Thank you so much for the view.